All right, we're turning on the waterfall for the first time. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's really cool. Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping, and we are actually out in Mount Pleasant, Michigan today, and we are going to be doing an incredible renovation of this koi pond. The footprint right now is roughly, I think, about 15 by 10, maybe a little smaller, but we're going to widen this thing out. We're going to go deeper. We're going to make it about 3 foot deep. They've got some beautiful koi in the water. They're absolutely beautiful koi. So we're going to take them out, and we're going to come over and put them into this holding tank over here, so they're nice and safe during the installation. They'll be in with their aerators, and we're going to take everything out here. So we're going to take all the plumbing, the biofalls, the skimmers, and right now it's got some beautiful ground cover around it, which we really like, and we're going to try to salvage some of that. We're also going to be adding some new plant material on the back side and around the outside edges. But what we're going to be doing is, instead of having 2 split streams coming in, down in the center of the pond, we're going to have a nice wide waterfall with a lot of different redirections of water, maybe a split waterfall. And so this is going to be a really fun project. He's just got a beautiful area here to sit and enjoy this water feature. So he's going to be able to sit back here, relax, enjoy this for many years to come. We are here on day 1, getting toward the end of the day, and we've been working on getting all of the old pond ripped out. We had a double liner in the bottom of the pond with about 2 foot of muck at the bottom. We got that all torn out. We got all the liner out, and we've been shaping the pond. It was at about a 10 by 12 footprint, and we are now at a 20 by 14 footprint. So making some good headway here, and just wanted to let you know where we're at. Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We are on day 2 of this 20 by 15 koi pond project. We've got a lot of these rocks in. We got our fish cave in down here, and we've got these rocks set in, and notice how we've layered our rocks back. Every rock is locked in behind the rock that is below it. So This rock is not going to move. It's not sitting on top of this. It's actually locked in. There's a nose that goes down behind this, and we're locking these rocks in behind the rock that we have in front of it and below it. We call this layering the rocks back. So the next row will be working up into here, and this is our stream here. We ended up a little short in our liner, so what we're going to actually do is we're going to seam our stream liner to our pond liner, and we're going to have a big wide waterfall. We're going to use a 9PL, about a 7,000 gallon per hour pump, and we're going to use 12-foot wide liner through here and use nice big boulders and create some nice waterfalls. So we should have enough good pump power to have some nice robust waterfalls. And we're going to have a stream that kind of comes in dog legs a little bit to the right toward that pallet. And so things are going well here, and we will keep you updated as we move forward. Thank you so much. We're turning on the waterfall for the first time. Oh wow. That's cool. That's really cool. Here comes waterfall number 2. That's sweet. Oh yeah. That's pretty sweet. We're just really happy with the way this pond turned out. So we've got about 3 close to 1 foot waterfalls. The bottom split waterfall is about 6-7 inches, but the other 2 waterfalls are a good, I would say, 12 to 15 inches. The homeowner really stressed that they wanted a lot of height. Sometimes that's hard in a confined space because we only had literally about 8 foot from where the pond ends on this far edge to it just drops off. It's like a cliff, a straight cliff behind us. So we wanted to make this all kind of tie in to make it one backdrop. So we added a lot of plant material. We added a lot of ground cover. So we've got some sweet woodruff going around the pond, all around these edges. We got some sedum also in the rock work. And our hope is that this ground cover is just going to start to crowd over the rocks. And we love this split on the bottom. This turned out really cool on the right-hand side. So a lot of cool things about this waterfall and this water feature. So thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.